Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Cupra Formentor key battery. First thing first, press the button on the side here, to release the emergency key. See, the battery is in here, is holding back by the this plastic cover. So you see there's a plastic tabs there. If you push it forward, it will release the cover like that. Push it forward. See here, here's the cover. Here's the battery, CR2032. Push the battery out. You see the locks on the end here. Just push it out like that. Here's the battery, CR2032 battery. To replace it, to go in like that. This side go in first. Press it down. Align the cover. Align the cover. Align the cover like that. So, and put the emergency key back in. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.